Today we're in Dartmoor. The British military have trained here for over 200 years, but it still remains one of the most difficult to navigate places in the country, thanks to its endless moors, dense forest and deep rivers. None of that is a problem with the new G-SHOCK Carbon MUDMASTER. This watch introduces a whole host of new features specifically designed to assist you wherever you may find yourself. One of the first things you'll notice on the new MUDMASTER is the casing, and that's because it features G-SHOCK's brand new carbon core guard technology. The new design integrates and reinforces the case with carbon fibre, making it lighter and much stronger. A new addition to the MUDMASTER is the introduction of Bluetooth Smart technology, which allows every single function on the watch to be controlled by a mobile phone. One of the most impressive features is the new location indicator, which allows you to set a destination via the G-SHOCK connected app and send it directly to the watch. Once you've set the location on the phone, at the push of a button, the watch will show you which direction to head. Simply hold down the top right-hand button for 3 seconds, and away you go. The MUDMASTER also has a built-in quad sensor, starting with the compass. To activate the compass, simply press the top right-hand button. The LCD will show you your direction, and the second hand points to north. Now, as the name suggests, the MUDMASTER is entirely mud resistant, meaning you can cover it in mud, grit, dirt or sand and still push all the buttons in to your heart's content. Nothing can get inside the watch. Like all G-SHOCK watches, the MUDMASTER is also water resistant to 200 meters. Another sensor built into the MUDMASTER is the barometer. Now, a barometer predicts the weather and will inform you of incoming weather fronts. The higher the pressure, like today, the better the weather is going to get. The lower the pressure, the worse the weather is going to get. To activate the barometer, simply press the lower left button. Another part of the quad sensor is the altimeter. An altimeter measures your height above sea level. To activate it, simply press the lower right-hand button. Now remember, every single G-SHOCK watch can be dropped from the height of a 3-story building. So we know they're shock resistant, water resistant, vibration resistant, and can be frozen into a solid block of ice. No problems. At the end of your adventure, you can synchronize everything from the watch directly onto the G-SHOCK connected application, view a mission log, an interactive map, stats, as well as share it with family and friends. So there we have it, the G-SHOCK connected MUDMASTER, the perfect watch for any adventure.